guys, this tutorial is to show you how to install the Credit Connector. What you want to do is go to the Google Chrome store. And just search Credit Connector, search it up, Credit Connector. This is what the tool look like, so you click into either one. Mine says remove, I already have it installed. Yours should say install. You click install, it'll then pop up in your extensions up here. It's the puzzle piece in your Google Chrome. So mine is there. Next thing you want to do is go to Facebook. Once on Facebook, you can go ahead and sign in. So I'm already signed in. Yours won't look like this. Yours will look like this. Oops. There you go. So it'll look like that. The email that you register with, by default, your password will be 123456. You click login, and that is how you install the Credit Connector.